Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you've all had a lovely Christmas. I've had a really lovely time. In fact, a little bit too much of a lovely time. And I've been really lazy with my crafting. I don't know about anybody else. I've not even lifted a pair of scissors all Christmas, if I'm honest. The only crafting that I've done is some thank you cards for my customers. Other than that, I've done nothing. So I thought, right, what can I do to get myself back into the swing of it and find my crafty mojo and stop being a lazy moose? And so I've come up with this, and I thought perhaps some of you could join me. And I'm going to do a 31 days craft challenge. Now there's two elements to this, okay? So what you can do is follow along with me, watch what I do. I'm going to be doing 31 projects throughout January. Okay, and I will number them all 1 to 31. So you can follow along with me at home and just create yourself. Okay, you could share if you like. You could send me photos on Facebook. If you share on social media, you can use hashtag 31 days craft challenge, and also if you put hashtag Scrimpingmommy, if it's on Instagram or something like that or Facebook, then I would see it. Alright, and that is a great way of getting back into crafting for the new year and sharing ideas with each other. Now the second element of it is I'm going to do a bit of a prize giveaway. Okay, I'm going to put together a lovely crafty pack of goodies, of awesomeness. It will be Stampin' Up. Maybe sneak some other things in there, we shall see. And to be in with a chance of winning, I'd like you to do, if you're on YouTube, a video response named hashtag 31 days craft challenge. Mention that it's something that I'm running. Try and encourage other people to come on over and join. And to be in with a chance of winning, you need to be a subscriber of mine. And my goal, one of my goals for the coming year is to get to 40,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I'm currently at 33.5, so I reckon it's doable. So I'd like to encourage some new subscribers. And also, you know, if you do YouTube or you already share on Pinterest or Facebook or Instagram, share your projects. Let's inspire each other for 31 days throughout the whole of January. Now, I will say you don't have to post every single day. But what you want to do is you want to do your projects and you want to number them. So perhaps on day 1 you could share one project and do a VR, and then perhaps you could make a few things and show them collectively. So you don't have to submit an entry every day through January. You just need to do 31. Now, they don't have to be huge projects. I'm not asking everybody to build a mini album, 31 mini albums. It can be something as simple as a little gift tag or an embellishment to go on another project. It could even just be the sharing of a really great crafty idea. Okay, a hint or a tip, anything, as long as it's something to do with crafting. It can be paper craft, it can be fabric craft, it can be painting. You can use whatever products you want. It doesn't have to be Stampin' Up, even though obviously I do love Stampin' Up products. You can use anything. The idea is to just get us sharing and get us back into it for the start of the new year. So come and join me on my 31 days craft challenge. I will be announcing, I will pick winners from those that do VRs. If you don't do YouTube videos, you could share it on Facebook and send me the link. You could do it on your blog and send me the link. You could share it on Instagram. Make sure you tag me. Okay, that will count as a video response. A video response is sharing the challenge and sharing that it's that it's linked to me directly, and everybody who does that will go in a in a random in a pot and I'll draw somebody's name out. Now the prize pack, due to postage costs, will only be for UK. If an international person is drawn out, then I will get gift vouchers from a Stampin' Up demonstrator abroad, or put money in your PayPal or something like that. Okay, I know demonstrators all over the world, so that really wouldn't be a problem. All right, so come and join me. 31 days craft challenge starting January the 1st, right through to the 31st. Let's have some crafty fun. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.